Hello everyone, I am Rajendra Muhare, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Today we are going to discuss on ionization process, and it is a part of high voltage engineering in EX7 semester. So let us start. First of all, what is ionization? Ionization can be defined as ionization in gas or dielectrics is the process by which the neutral gas molecules are converted into positively charged ion and free electrons. In gas, in normal state, almost a perfect insulator, but when high voltage is applied between two electrodes, which is immersed in gaseous medium, the gas becomes a conductor and electrical breakdown occurs in gas. This process that's primarily responsible for the breakdown of gases are ionization by collision, photoionization, and secondary ionization. Now we will discuss one by one these types of process. First is ionization by collision. In this process, the ionization by collision, a free electron collides with a neutral gas molecule and give rise to a new electron and a positive ions. This is the block diagram of ionization by collision. Whenever any electron is starting at a cathode will be accelerate more and more between collision with other gas molecule during its travel towards the anode. If the energy E is gained during the travel between collision exceeds the ionization potential, which is the energy required to dislodge an electron from its atomic shell, then the ionization takes place, and this can be represented as in this equation form. Second is secondary ionization process. Secondary ionization process by which secondary electrons are produced are in the one which sustained a discharge after it is established due to ionization by collision and photoionization. In this process, electron emission due to positive ion impact, electron emission due to photons, and electron emission due to metastable and neutral atom. First is electron emission due to positive ion impact. Positive ions are formed due to ionization by collision or by a photoionization, and being a positive charge, they travel towards the cathode. Positive ions approaching a metallic cathode can cause emission of electrons from the cathode by giving up its kinetic energy on impact. Electron emission due to photons. To cause an electron to escape from a metal, it should be give enough energy to overcome the surface potential barrier. The energy can also be supplied in the form of photon of ultraviolet light or suitable frequency. Third is C is electron emission due to metastable and neutral atom. Metastable atoms or molecular is an excited particles whose lifetime is very large, which is 10 to the power minus 3 second. An electron can be ejected from the metal surface by the impact of excited atom. Thank you very much for watching this video.